everyone, it's Amy at Custom Vinyl Decor. I have another quick video for you to show you this darling little Mickey and Minnie Walt Disney quote that we've got. And I wanted to put this up on the wall. This is a perfect decal for our Disney lovers out there, and it comes in lots of different sizes and colors. So come visit us at CustomVinylDecor.com to get yours today. But so today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get this up on your wall so that it is fabulous for your Disney space. What you're going to do, the first thing is you're going to want to peel the backing off. The backing is this super shiny slick piece, and then we have the transfer tape that's sticky. So you're going to pull off the backing and your decal will stick to the sticky transfer tape, and it's best if you use a flat surface to do this. So I'm going to pause this so I can peel off the backing, and then I'll show you what to do from there. Okay, I've got this ready to go. As you can see, this is the sticky side, and then this is the way that it's going to go on the wall. So I just want to place this on my wall. I'm going to just lightly press it to make sure that it's how I want it. Sorry for the back of my head there, but as I look at this, that looks pretty good, kind of how I want it. And so what you're going to do is just start pressing this on with your hands. And I like to go from the middle out because that helps with getting air bubbles out. Just like this. And then you're going to want to take a card of some sort, credit card, whatever you've got on hand, so that you can then scrape it onto the wall like this. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you what to do from there. Okay, I finished scraping it. So now we're going to take and just start peeling from the corner. I like to go from the top corner and work backwards. I found that the letters and decals seem to stick a little better when you work backwards with them. You can do it however is easiest for you though. Sometimes you can see the design will want to stick to the transfer tape, so you just press it back down and use your fingers to help get it to stick to the wall. And it takes a few minutes and some patience. But if you work slow and are patient, then it will go on without any problems. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this so I can get this off, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, I just finished getting this transfer tape off, and this is the finished look of it. I wanted to tell you a little something that happened to me so that you know that if this happens to you, it's okay. Most things can be fixed. Minnie's little eyelash, it's hard to see the eyelashes, but she's got some little eyelashes here. One of them ripped off while I was peeling it because they're super thin. So what I did is I just put the transfer tape back because the whole thing wasn't off yet. I just carefully rolled it back into place, and I used my finger to help keep that down. And you can't even see that it is torn. It just goes right back to where it needed to be, exactly where it needs to be, where that tear is, and so you can't even see it. So I just want to let you know that if that happens, it's okay. You can usually fix it. My son is shaking the bench right now, and so anyway, but sometimes that happens, but you can't even see it. I'm looking at it up close and can't even tell that came off. So let us know if we can help you. We would love to get these designs ready for you. They come in lots of different colors. We can do this in red, black, pink, green, blue. We have so many colors. Come visit us at CustomVinylDecor.com. We have a whole team ready, and we want to get these shipped out to you as quickly as possible. Thanks.